she not willing, she opted not to make a statement, and she did not know what I was talking about. And that's how the issue arose. So you can't say, I mean, as much as you like to pile blame on us, you can't pile blame on us. We did not type that untruthful message. We did not, however evil we are, we did not force anyone to say that the witness has opted to not to make a statement when she actually is willing to make a statement. So, this is not something we can just brush aside, because it concerns the rights of the witness as well, and the rights of the person who called the witness, that is the public protector. And our professional duties to lead the witness through a statement, like all the other witnesses that have been led in this process.
Thank you, Advocate Mpofu. The witness has taken an oath Monday, and the oral evidence that is done is a proper thing also to do in the absence of the statement that your team failed to take. It can't be that only at 9 o'clock yesterday you were starting to interact and talk about the statement.
I didn't say I was starting. I said I was finishing.
I don't know. Don't disturb me when I'm speaking.
Yeah, well, don't distort my
Just mute, Advocate Mpofu. Mute. I'm on the platform. Please.
Yeah, but don't distort what I've just said to you now 5 minutes ago.
Please mute, Advocate Mpofu. I want to repeat, Advocate Mpofu. We hear what the witness is saying. And this witness is here up until the end of today and has taken an oath since Monday. Sure. I want you to proceed. No, Advocate Mpofu, please.
I'm sorry, Chair. I really want to make this point. I beg you.
No, don't. I'm speaking.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, Advocate Mpofu. Advocate Mpofu, witness Bianca Mvuyana has been on your witness list since November 2022. On your witness list.
Yeah.
Forget about last night.
Right.
And there's no reason since then that there's never been an interaction and work done with her. I want to rule that you proceed, Advocate Mpofu.
So why did you subpoena her?
Why did you
subpoena her if she was on my witness list? Why did you subpoena her?
You asked this committee, and we took all the trouble, that rigorous process that we did, to subpoena her on your behalf. She's here now since Monday.
Exactly.
Please ask questions to Ms. Bianca Mvuyana. Please proceed.
No, Chairperson, I will do so, but if you are going to distort the situation, I have to put it on record. You can't say that we put her on our witness list. You know the reason why she was removed from the witness list and then put on the subpoena list. You asked her those questions illegally so on Monday, and she explained to you that she changed her mind. So why do you want to use that now to distort the picture in the minds of the public and the members of the committee? That is not the issue. The issue is that this witness, we as the person who wanted to call her, want her to do a statement. She has a right to make a statement if she wants to do so. We have a right to raise the questions from the statement. The members have a right to have the statement. They can't be expected to remember this in a few months' time or whenever, when we do the arguments, unlike all the other witnesses. So that is a procedural matter on which you have to apply your mind, Chairperson, and not just bully your way through like you have been doing all morning. And take a deep breath, ask for advice if you need to ask for advice, and then we move on. I don't know how many times I'm saying this now, because this is a serious matter and you just want to be stubborn. You know, it's Mr. Janchi's word or or the highway. It doesn't work like that. This is Parliament of the Republic of South Africa. It's not your backyard. So you need to follow the rules and respond to the issues that we're raising, which are serious issues, which are meant to save this process. Contrary to what you think that we're trying to derail it, we're actually trying to save it, because the expediency of your us following your hollow path to doom now might seem exciting and enticing to you, but it's going to lead to the oblivion of this process.
Thank you, Advocate Mpofu. Two things I'm going to say. Please watch your language as you interact with this committee and the chair. I'm going to make that point. Secondly,
well, which part?
I want to, sorry, Advocate Mpofu, I'm on the platform.
Yeah, but which language? I want to follow your ruling.
The second part I'm going to insist on, I want you to proceed asking the questions. Please proceed asking the question to Ms. Bianca Mvuyana.
Point of order, Chair.
What's the point of order?
Sorry.
Firstly, Chairperson, I do raise my hand, so I'm not sure if you are able to see when hands are raised. I really do not want to interrupt and raise point of orders and seem as if I'm interrupting you. That's the first point. The second point, Chairperson, is that we have a situation here whereby the communication that has been received by the committee is that the witness opted not to produce a statement. And the witness, after being asked now, has confirmed that is not true, meaning there's been lies. I don't know where they could be coming from. So it's very concerning, Chairperson, how we can just skip lies to this of this nature, because for me, it raises questions as to what else would we have been lied to as a committee. Secondly, Chairperson, just on the other engagement regarding the letter now, the committee members, in line with your ruling, affirmed that the legal team of the public protector needs to reduce whatever views they have in writing, so that when the engagement starts, there's a letter, there's something in writing that members can follow. Now, on this particular issue, that principle is thrown out of the window, because there's a witness, but without her views, her thoughts reduced to writing via a statement. So, Chairperson, I would propose that let's find another way of dealing with it, because it can't be that the processes of the committee require the engagement be informed by statements in which we as members can take our time, read through, so that we make an informed opinion. But on this particular witness, now we need to operate differently from the way we've been operating. And lastly, Chairperson, it's very serious that there has been a lie, where the legal advisor and the committee secretary says the witness said no to a statement. The witness is saying that is not true. There's been a lie. So, Chairperson, I plead with you, let us not proceed as if into it's a big thing whereby there's a lie that has been perpetuated. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Zungula. Ms. Bianca Mvuyana is coming here not as a witness led by evidence leaders. This is a witness who has been on the list of the public protector since November 2022. People responsible for making statements, it's not this committee, it's not the evidence leaders, it's the public protector and her legal team. That's where they can't come here now and ask why there's no statement. It is their responsibility, Honorable Zungula. I again ask Advocate Mpofu to proceed to ask the questions from Ms. Bianca Mvuyana.
Okay, Chairperson, you're making this unnecessarily difficult. Firstly, by distorting me, I think deliberately now. What do you mean when you say we can't come here and say, where's the statement? Who did that? Did I come here and say, why is there no statement? I did not say that. I came here and I'm explaining to you that the witness informed me during a consultation that it is not true that she did not opt to make a statement. That's what I did. Now you are distorting what I just said to you a few minutes ago to say I came here to say, where's the statement? I'm not mad. Why would I do that? I know why there is no statement. It is because of the issues, like I say, that you are running away from, which is the fact that it was explained to you on Monday that Ms. Mvuyana was ill last week, and by the time she was available, which was last Friday, it was during the issue of the non-payment. And that is why on Monday, the public protector addressed you, and then you saw her in anyway without the presence of a legal team. That's what happened. And what then happened is, unlike the lies that are in your letter, the public protector gave us the instruction to consult with Ms. Mvuyana, which we did before even the payment of the amount by the public protector. So and you were telling us that the reason that we were not being paid was because of PFMA, which was another lie. Because if it was for PFMA, why did they pay 100% yesterday? Are they now breaching the PFMA? These are the things that are in your letter, which you don't want us to discuss. And I'm saying through all that mess, which I don't want to discuss now, what actually happened is that Ms. Mvuyana was, let's say, caught in the crossfire and was not given her right as a witness to make a statement, which and instead she was lied about. That's not a small matter. If you don't respect our rights, at least you must respect the rights of Ms. Mvuyana, and you must respect the rights of the public protector and the rights of the public, which is going to listen to her testimony. This is not we're not just going through the motions here just to reach the finish line. We're having an inquiry. An inquiry means there must be witnesses who must be properly sworn in, who must make statements if they so wish, and must then be led. That's what an inquiry is. We're not running a kangaroo court here or a shebeen brawl. Okay, so that's the
point of order
we're putting on the table, and you have to at least consider it. That's what I keep on saying to you, and consider it from all the points of view I'm talking about. From our point of view as the professionals who have to do the work, from your point of view as the chair, from the point of view of the witness, point of view of the public, and the point of view of the members. That's your job. Okay. That's what you get paid for. And it's not for you who gets paid every month to tell us when we must be paid. It's very rich coming from
point
you.
Point of order,
I think, sorry, just hold on.
No, this is not
Advocate Mpofu, Advocate Mpofu, I want you to proceed.
No, you can't be abusing us like this, man.
Please proceed and ask the questions from Ms. Bianca Mvuyana. Please proceed, Advocate Mpofu.
No, Chairperson, I'm simply responding to the issue. I will proceed. I'm responding to the issue of you trivializing everything that we're raising with you. I'm sitting here with members of my team who have had to liquidate their policies for their children's education, and everyone here gets paid, including the evidence leaders, in fact, including even the public protector. But we must sit here and be enslaved by you and be told that we should just get on with it. It's not right, Mr. Judge. It is not right.
Point of order, Chair.
After this point of order, I want you to proceed. I've listened to you now, Advocate Mpofu. Honorable Milam.
Chairperson, you asked Advocate Mpofu to moderate his language earlier. He has called this committee a kangaroo court. He's referred to it as a shebeen brawl. He's now said that Chair, I'm on the floor.
That's not true. I said it is not a kangaroo court.
You've not been recognized.
Don't lie, man.
Mr. Mpofu, you've not been recognized. I'm
Yeah,
saying
but he
this.
mustn't distort me like
You
you.
have
He's
not been
taking from your
recognized, Mr.
example.
Mpofu. Please
I
mute.
said it's not a kangaroo court.
Please mute, Mr. Mpofu. You're not going to repeat that again. Honorable Mailam.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, my point is this, that you've made a ruling that we proceed with the cross-examination, or sorry, with the examination of this witness, with the evidence from Mr. Mpofu, from the witness, and I now ask that we do so. Any further delays are spurious and obstructive to the process of this committee, and we cannot continue debating and going around in circles over issues that are irrelevant to the questions before us. So can we ask that Mr. Mpofu puts his questions to the witness?
Chair, can I raise a point of order?
I'm not recognized. You have a hand that I'm recognized.
Okay, sorry.
Well,
Chairperson, thank you. I thought, Chair, you made a ruling, and I think issues which need to be discussed will be done after we have received a report, as other honorable members has indicated. I think that will assist us. So I'm requesting that we proceed and be given that opportunity to get those response in writing as honorable members so that we can be able to engage. Thank you.
thank you, Honorable Suela. Advocate Mpofu, please proceed and put questions to the witness.
No, I wanted to raise a point of order first.
Please proceed, Advocate Mpofu.
Yeah, can I proceed with my point of order?
Please proceed, yes.
Thank you, Chair. So, no, Chair, I don't know what there's nothing about putting anything in writing. We're now talking about the witness whose statement is not before the committee. That's exactly what we want to do, to put it in writing. So I don't know what that's about. But also, Chair, I just want to raise an objection. If you said I must moderate my language, and you allow Mr. Mailam to say that what I'm saying is spurious, is that moderation of language only reserved to people like me, or does it apply to people like him?